everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I come up with my top 4 face toner recommendation. To be very honest, if I'm not a YouTuber, I will not be using these many toners. To come up with my top 4, I have used so many toners. So the toners I'm going to show you today are literally my favorites. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first product is Lotus Basal Tone Toner. If you have a combination skin, this is the product for you guys. Combination skin means if you have an oily T-zone and the rest of your face is dry, then you have a combination skin. I have combination skin. Basically, toners dry your face, but this toner never dries your face. This gives a perfect finish. This controls oil only in the T-zone. I like to use this in my nighttime skincare routine. Before applying my any creams, I used to apply this toner. This gives that instant tightening. You will seriously start seeing the results from the day one. So I highly recommend this Lotus Basal Tone Toner for the combination skin people. I usually buy this from Nykaa. What I suggest is go check out in Myntra as well. Myntra most of the time have offers in skincare and beauty products. So before checking out in Nykaa, check out in Myntra as well. So yeah, this costs rupees 295, but this is seriously worth each and every penny, guys. Our second product is Good Vibes Rosehip Skin Clarifying Toner. Such an amazing toner for dry skin people. This hydrates your skin and it gives an immediate radiant and glowing effect. Good Vibes, I love you guys so much. You guys are doing a great job when it comes to skincare. Rosehip, this is such a winner in skincare industry. Rosehip, what to say, I'm going to create a separate video for this rosehip ingredients, guys. Soon I will upload a video. If you want that hydrated luminous skin, please buy this product. I like to use this in my daytime skincare routine. After my shower, I used to use this toner. The whole day my skin is seriously glowing. I like this product so much. So this is Good Vibes Rosehip Skin Clarifying Toner. You can buy this from Purple. Purple is also same like Nykaa. You can buy the product from Purple. So yeah. Our third product is Himalayas Refreshing Clarifying Toner. If you are in a budget, if you are a college going girl, this is the product for you guys. I think I'm using this more than 5 years now. Especially if you have oily skin, this is the product for you guys. The minute you apply this, you will seriously see that all the oils are being sucked by this toner. It controls the oil production. So I'm in love with this product so much. This is rupees 95, damn cheap. This is available everywhere in the market. So yeah. Our last product of the day, this is Blossom Kochar Aroma Magic Aromatic Skin Toner. Tighten pores and revive skin. This especially for that extremely oily skin girls. The mixture, the ingredients, that is rosemary, pomegranate, peppermint, calms your skin and give that soothing effect. If you follow this product with this Aroma Magic scrub, you will see an amazing result, guys. Trust me, this is such a cheap product. This is 115 rupees. Again, it's available everywhere in the market. This Aroma Magic is such a winner. So that's why it's in my top 4, guys. I hope you guys like my top 4 face toner recommendation. So I have been using face toner regularly in my skincare. This is doing such a magic to my skincare routine. So hope you guys like my video. If so, please consider subscribing and stay connected to my channel. I'll catch another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.